Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Then we have to scroll and tap on more security settings and enter encryption and credentials. Now, almost at the very bottom of this, we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Confirm it with your screen lock also. Not only, you can see that not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.